Hello guys, welcome to the computer science preparation for CSS, PPSC, FPSC, PCS, GATE. This is third lecture of preparation of the computer science subject. I hope all of you are fine. If any query regarding last lecture, you will comment us. So let's start. The graphic can be. The correct answer is D, all of above. Computer graphics first used by. The correct answer is C, William Peter in 1960. The component of interactive computer graphics are. The correct answer is D, all of the above, which contain light pen, display unit, bank of switches. Personal computer become powerful during the late. The correct answer is A, 1970. The brightness of each pixel is. The correct answer is B, incompatible. Three-dimensional computer graphics become effective in the late. The correct answer is A, 1980. The Ark, one of the first fully 3D games, was released in a year. The correct answer is D, 1996. The type of computer graphics. The correct answer is C, vector and raster. The dimensional graphics become popular in games, designing, multimedia and animation during the late. The correct answer is D, 1919. Vector graphics is composed of. The correct answer is A, paths. The brightness of each pixel is. The correct answer is B, incompatible. Raster images are more commonly called. The correct answer is B, bitmap. Raster graphics are composed of. The correct answer is C, pixel. EPS means encapsulated postscript. The Subtractive Color model used the concept of. The correct answer is B, light to display color. What is the 6-bit compiler allowable range for integer constants? The correct answer is D. The concept of two function with same name is known as. The correct answer is A, operator overloading. What is the following is invalid header file in C? The correct answer is C. Library function get belong to which header file? The correct answer is D. What is the output of blue program? The correct answer is C, compilation error. Include studio.h, int main, int integer equal to 10, print to D and A, return to 0. The correct answer is D, all of the above. Which GCC flag is used to generate debug information for any binary file. The correct answer is GCC-G. The correct answer is an analyzing tool in C. Which GCC option is used to generate assembly code for C code on Linux? The correct answer is B. C programming language was developed by and when? The correct answer is A. Dennis Ritchie in 1972. Which symbol is used as a statement terminator in C? The correct answer is D. Character constants should be enclosed between. The correct answer is A. Single quotes. The maximum length of a variable in C is. The correct answer is A. 8. What will be the maximum size of the float variable? The correct answer is C. 4 bytes. The operator positive in A positive equal to 4 means. The correct answer is A. A equal to A plus 4. C language is available for which of the following operating system? The correct answer is all of these. Which is the correct way to declare a pointer? The correct answer is B. Which of the following is a scalar data type? The correct answer is A. Float. Which of the following are taken in C? The correct answer is D. All of the above. C is a middle level language. Display called R. The correct answer is D. Both A and B. Several graphic image file formats that are used by most of graphic systems are all of above. PPS means. The correct answer is D. Encapsulated post script. OTSS stands. The correct answer is C. Off the shelf software. CMYK model are used for. The correct answer is B. Printing. Thank you for watching this video. If any query, then comment us